Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook post shareable. You may have noticed that you're not able to share posts from some of your friends on Facebook. This has to do with their personal Facebook settings associated with their post. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook settings to make sure your Facebook posts can be shared by your friends in both the Facebook app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices, and also the Facebook website. First, let's walk through the steps to make a Facebook post shareable in the Facebook app on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Tap inside of the What's on Your Mind field on your Facebook homepage. The Create Post screen appears. Step 2. Tap the first drop-down box that appears directly beneath your name. This will most likely say Friends in it. The Select Privacy screen appears. Step 3. Tap the empty circle to the left of Public in the Who Can See Your Post section. A blue circle with a white checkmark will be displayed inside of that circle when it's selected. Step 4. Tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll return to the Create Post screen where you'll now see Public displayed in the drop-down box beneath your name, rather than Friends. After creating your new post, anyone who sees it will be able to share it. And now let's walk through how to make your Facebook post shareable on the Facebook website. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to facebook.com, and then log into your Facebook account if prompted. You'll arrive at your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Make sure Make Post is selected in the list of options above your newsfeed at the top center part of your Facebook home screen. Step 3. Click What's on Your Mind. A Make Post box will pop out from the screen. Step 4. Make sure that the circle to the left of Newsfeed has a blue circle with a white check mark inside of it. If it doesn't, click inside of it until it does. Step 5. Click the drop-down that's displayed to the right of Newsfeed. This will likely say Private in it. A list of options appears. Step 6. Choose Public in the list of options. Continue creating your Facebook post and then click Share when you're finished. Your post will be capable of being shared by anyone who wants to share it. Congratulations! You now know how to make a Facebook post shareable. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.